have tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. And to all of my returning viewers, thank you so much. And if this is your first time, welcome. Welcome to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville. Now, guys, on this particular channel, I do clean with me, shop with me, decorate with me on a budget, and some interior and exterior cleaning, and some working in my flower bed. So if this is something that interests you, go ahead on and click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so you will be notified each time when I upload another video. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and guys, if you are joining the family for the first time, go ahead on and comment and let me know so I can welcome you into the Precious family. And also, guys, I do have some sponsors. Go ahead on and don't skip the video. Don't skip anything that you see on this video. Watch everything till the end. So that's how I get compensated. Don't skip anything, okay? All right, guys, so I am going to go ahead on and continue adding the black to all of this white that I had up. My living room was just totally white everywhere. So if you have not watched those videos, go ahead on and go back to some of my previous video and watch those videos, okay? So in this particular video, I am going to do my LED display shelf, adding some black to that white, and my couch, and as well as my love seat. So guys, I'm going to play you some music, and I will come back later on in the video and show you the reveal. Okay, let's go. So this was the final video of me doing my living room in black and white. So I just wanted to bring you guys along with me as I went piece by piece. I first did this particular buffet table, then I moved over to my console table, then my coffee table, and now my final living room tour. And I enjoyed putting this video together. I thought just by adding some black to this white here will give it that elegant look, and I'm loving it, loving it. And I always add a pop of green to my space, and that will give it that color so it won't just be all black and white. But as I mentioned, you know, I'm doing this green thing. It'll be all season, no matter when it comes Christmas, December, we still gonna have this green showing up. So right here on this display shelf, guys, I purchased this shelf from Amazon, but I think these shelves are now like $200, and when I purchased it last year, it was only $149.9, so just say $150. But I noticed that it has gone up $50. So, but if you still want to get your hands on that, it's still on Amazon. Finley, I think it's Finley low shelves. But if you're interested in it, just hit me up in the comments, and I will leave that description link. Okay, so I got most of these pillows covers here from Amazon, except for the little black and white swirl pillow. I picked those up from Temu, but I can't remember how much I paid for those 4 pillows, but it wasn't that much. And also on this display shelf, I went on and did add the little black into it, and I didn't add much, but I'm going to come back probably in the next video, guys, and I'm going to do all black. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell. Just subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and you will be notified, okay? But here I explained everything to you on the video for the, I think it was the modern console table decorating, but just go back to my videos, okay? But I also reminded you guys that I had DIY these books here, and down here I just added a little bit of black to that area. And here is the entire tour of the living room, guys, and I'm loving how everything turned out. Oh wow. But anyway, guys, if you like content like this, I'm just asking you to just hit that subscribe button. And I think in my next video, I'm not for sure exactly where I'm going to start at in my living room, but I'm not for sure exactly what pieces I will be using, but I just know that they will be black. And I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in, watching, and I hope that you guys had an amazing day. Don't forget to watch my shorts at the end of this video. I have compiled a lot of shorts together for you guys, and they are inspirational. So go over and support me in that way as well. Alright guys, I appreciate you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye bye.